Hi guys, welcome to the Design Corner. Today we will design about for pipe with plants in SolidWorks tutorial. Open the SolidWorks, go to the front plane. First you will be draw the construction lines for infinity lengths, horizontal, vertical. After that, first you will be look the diagram, which is the base. In this pipe with plants, as in a base of the center line. First construction lines. Okay. First you will be draw the construction line of the pipe. Click the circle, center point of the circle. For dimension, for radius 260. Click OK. Radius 260. After that, click the circle. Click on for construction. OK. After that, you will be draw the one horizontal line, one vertical line. You will be click on this vertical line also for construction. Same as click on the horizontal line also construction. After that, click on the horizontal line and this center point of the circle. Give the tangent. Okay. After that, again you click the circle and click on vertical line. Give the tangent. After that, click on trim entities. Trim the unwanted area, unwanted lines. After that, go to the diagram. In this diagram is give the dimensions for valve length, I mean pipe length. Okay. First, in this line dimension for 150 mm. So you will be give the 150 mm with center point of the circle. Okay. Don't forget. This also 150 for horizontal and vertical also same as 150. Okay. After that, okay, exit sketch. Click on the reference geometry. Go to the plane. It will little bit slow. Just wait. Click on this point and click on vertical line of line. Okay. So plane created. Okay. Click OK. After that, click the plane. Edit sketch. First, we draw the outer diameter of the pipe. Okay, outer diameter of the pipe dimension is dia 290. Okay, you draw the 290 circle in this center point. Dia 290. Okay. You click this point. Click this point and click this point. Click as coincident. Okay. After that, exit sketch. You see that in these lines are constrained. Okay. Before we get the pipe, in these lines are not give for the construction because it's a normal line. Please change that line for normal. Again, edit the sketch. Click both lines for edit sketch again. Go to the swept base. First, you click the profile circle. After that, path of the pipe. Construction lines not make for the path of the profile. Okay, that's why we remove for construction lines. Click OK. After that, again go to the front plane. First, click on the swept area. First, click on the sketch 3 because path of the line. Click it and click the convert entities. Yeah, get that. After that, again you will be go for reference geometry. Sorry. Just exit sketch. Again click reference geometry. Click plane. Again click the point and vertical line planes created. After that, click the plane, edit sketch. Before we give that the first we give that the OD of the pipe. In that time we give the ID of the pipe for dia 210. After that, exit the sketch. Click on the swept cut. This is the profile. Path is in this line. Okay. So completed for the pipe. After that, we draw the flange in two phases. First, you draw the flange of the one side of the pipe in the square part 360 and 360. Okay. Click the one face. Right click. Sketch. Okay. First, you will be click the circle and click on convert entities. After that, click the center point rectangular. Click on this circle center point. Okay. After that, we give the dimension for 360. This also 360. Extrude base. Click on extrude base because in this bases are not above the pipe. It's a reverse. Okay. For thickness is 50 mm. The inner side of the flange. Okay. Click that. Okay. After that, again draw the flange in another side. Same as procedure. After that, after that, we we will we will design for whole of the flange in particular distance. First, you draw the rectangular of the flange. For 260 dimension. After that, dia for 10 mm depth for 4 corners. Click that lines. Click the lines also this QS equal. After that, select the rectangular and give the for construction. You cut the Click on extrude cut for depth 10 mm. Okay. After that, again click that face. Again holds on 30 dia for full depth. Okay. Dimensions for small hole 30. Equal. Okay. After that, extrude cut for through all. So it's not up to next. Give that up to next. Completed. For one side flange is completed. Again you will be do for other side. Sorry. Click that face. Edit sketch. Both sides are the same size, so we will be draw again for same size. It's completed. After that, we give that radius of the belongs to the plant for radius 10 mm. I mean fillet. Click on the fillet, click this circle and click for same circle for 10 radius. Okay. After that, in 4 corners radius 20. This is same for this both sides. Change the radius 20 into 20. Click OK. Completed. After that, we see that uh, for the ID having one chamber for 10 size. So click on this ID surface for in branch. Click to the chamber for 10. Okay. One side. Again, you will be click on the same side for 10 It's not okay. It's not yeah, completed. Okay. Please watch the full video for your reference. Don't skip. You see that the cut section of the pipe with valve design. Thank you for watching this video.